Hey folks, warming up across the valley. Temperatures, look at that, 107 right now in Starr County, Rio Grande City. You see the readings up into Falcon Lake. Very, very warm. You get that pinkish tone on there. That's a sign it's about as hot as it can be, it seems like. 90s almost every place else, and then 80s as you get a little closer to the coast. 87 in Port Isabel, 89 in Brownsville right now. Dew points are back up into the 70s, so it feels 5 to 10 degrees warmer than the actual temperature in most locations because the humidity is up into the very humid level now. That will change tomorrow. Dry line will come through and that will drop, but temperatures are still going to be really, really warm tomorrow. In fact, these are your forecast highs are going anywhere from 99 to 104 over most of the valley. The exception, you can see this little thin line of lighter colors down here. The island about 83, Boca Chica Beach probably about the same, but everybody else going to be pushing that 100-degree mark. 87 is the normal high for this time of year. Tomorrow we're going to average around 101. The record's 105. It does every once in a while get hot this time of year, a day or two, and then it's gone. This time it's going to last a little longer. We'll be back at 100 on Friday, probably even hotter on Saturday. This is Future Track, and it suggests that overnight tonight some patchy clouds show up, and this little line goes through. That's a dry line, and when you get a dry line going through ahead of a front, dry air builds in and dry air just warms up very quickly. That allows tomorrow's temperatures to get quite hot with bright sunshine. Now we go beyond that, and I think what's going to happen is a front will actually pass through, and after that it's slightly cooler on Thursday, 90s instead of over 100. But by Friday everything goes back to the north, heat builds back in, and southerly wind puts us over 100. This is a look at the dew points. If you notice, in the morning dew points were in the 70s, but by tomorrow afternoon that dry line sweeps through and dew points drop into the 30s, 40s, and 50s in most areas. So that dry air is what really allows things to heat up and keeps us rain-free. Not only tomorrow, but rain-free Thursday and Friday as well. Bigger picture gives us an idea what's going on. Showers and thunderstorms in the Texas Panhandle and off to the west from there. Here's our front. Temperatures much cooler in the Panhandle, but there's the dry line. Because that dry line gives us a northwesterly wind, not out of the north, but out of the northwest. It comes right off the Mexican plateau, downslopes into the valley, downslopes, compresses, heats up, and it gets downright hot. Slight cool down because the front stalls just to the south of us briefly on Thursday, but by Friday it's back to the north. Temperatures are hot again. By Saturday night, Sunday, this front pushes in and cools things off for the second half of the weekend. Tonight then, partly cloudy, a couple of clouds, not a lot, 74. Then tomorrow, some clouds early, but then mostly sunny and hot. Average high tomorrow of 101 degrees, even with that northerly to northwesterly wind. Thursday, a little cooler, courtesy of that weak front. Then we're back up to 100 on Friday, 102 on Saturday. Keep in mind, these are average highs across the valley. If you're in the western half of the valley, you'll be hotter than that. Closer to the coast, you'll be cooler. And then look at Sunday. We've dropped the temperature to 83, much cooler, courtesy of that Sunday morning front. Could be a shower early Sunday morning, pre-dawn, but after that, slightly cooler temperatures for the second half of the weekend. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.